In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make obsidian in Minecraft 26.1.2 Updated 2026 Guide. To make obsidian in Minecraft, you only need two things. You need one water bucket, and you need to find a lava source block. The most important detail is that it must be a lava source block, not flowing lava. If you pour water onto flowing lava, you will get cobblestone instead of obsidian. So before you place the water, take a moment to make sure the lava is still and comes from a source block. Start by gathering a water bucket. If you do not already have one, fill an empty bucket with water from any water source. Once that is ready, find a lava source block. Lava is commonly found underground, in caves, in ravines, and sometimes on the surface in lava pools. Move carefully when you get close so you do not fall into the lava. When you have located the lava source block, equip your water bucket and pour the water directly over the lava source. As the water touches the lava source block, the lava will change into obsidian. This happens immediately, so you just need to place the water in the correct spot and give it a moment to settle. Make sure you are placing the water over the actual source block. This is the key part of the process. If the lava is moving or spreading, that means you are looking at flowing lava, and that will not give you obsidian. In that case, trace the lava back to the still source block and use the water there instead. After the block has turned into obsidian, you can leave the water in place for safety, or pick it back up with your bucket if you are done. If you plan to mine the obsidian, remember that you need a diamond pickaxe or a stronger tool, depending on your version and equipment, in order to collect it properly. If you use the wrong tool, the obsidian will not drop as an item. That is the full process. Gather one water bucket, find a lava source block, pour the water over that source block, and wait for it to turn into obsidian. As long as you use a lava source block and not flowing lava, this method will work, and that is all there is to it.